friends! I'm Alex. Do you like to travel? Today, we're going to explore every way people travel around the world. Let's go on a super-duper transportation adventure. Are you ready? Let's go! Into these, firstly, we are going to learn about land transportation. Look, a car! We ride cars with our families. Can you pretend to drive? Vroom, vroom! Say it with me. Car, vroom, vroom! Here comes a bus. It takes lots of kids to school. Honk honk, beep beep. It's a police car, helping people stay safe. Woo woo! Flashing lights! Say it loud! Police car! Woo woo! An ambulance! It helps sick people. Can you make the sound? Nina! Nina! Here comes a fire truck. It puts out fires. Woo, woo! Splash, splash! Shout it! Fire truck! A bicycle. Let's pretend to pedal. Pedal, pedal. Ding, ding. Say it with me. Bike. Ding, ding. Whee! A scooter! Push and ride! Zip, zip! Zoom! What sound scooter make? Zip, zip! This is a motorbike. Hold on tight. Motorbike sound. Vroom! Vroom! A tractor! It helps farmers grow food. Chug, chug, chug! Tractor sounds. Chug, chug! All aboard! The train is here. Let's go. Choo, choo! What sound train make, guys? Choo, choo! This is a truck. It brings toys and food to stores. Can you rumble like a truck? Rumble! Rumble! Now we are going to learn about air transportation. An airplane! Look up in the sky. It's an airplane, zooming through the clouds. Whoosh! Say it with me. Whoosh! Whoosh! Look, a helicopter. It makes sound whir, whir. Let's fly together in helicopter. Wow, a hot air balloon, floating slow and high. Whoosh! What we call this? Hot air balloon. Lastly, we are going to know about water transportation. What we call this? Sailboat. Let's sail. Splash, splash, splash. A big, big ship. Cruise across the sea. Whoop! Ship! Paddle! Paddle! A canoe! Let's row together. Canoe! Paddle! Paddle! A fast speedboat. Zoom across the water. Speedboat! Zoom! What an adventure, friends! Let's remember what we saw. Car, bus, police car, fire truck, ambulance, bicycle, scooter, motorbike, tractor, train, truck, airplane, helicopter, hot air balloon, sailboat, ship, canoe, speedboat. You did amazing, explorers! Now you know all kinds of transportation. See you next time. Bye-bye, friends. Make sure to subscribe Bright Dream Studio for more fun with me.